Thank you for choosing Western Michigan University. In this video, you will learn how to apply using our online application system. You should begin by opening your browser and going to www.wmich.edu. You may then click the Apply Now button. Scroll down to the International section and click the Create Account button. Before you begin, you should first select the International Admissions Information link and read all of this information carefully. This page will give you information about items you should submit in addition to your online application. These include things such as your official transcripts, proof of your English language competency, and a copy of your passport identification page. Please note that if you are a graduate student, you should also contact your department to ask about additional requirements. Once you have thoroughly read all the information included in this page, you may close the page to return to the online application page. You may then click the Online Application button. You will now be required to create a login and PIN for your online application. Your login ID should be something unique to you. Your PIN must be at least 6 characters long and should be something you can easily remember. To begin your application, you should click the Application Form button. The next page will ask you for information regarding how you learned about WMU. Please select all that apply and click Continue. Step 2 will require you to enter the city in which you were born and the country of which you are currently a resident. When you have completed these 2 steps, click Continue. Step 3 will ask you for information regarding dependents who will come with you to the United States. This may include a husband, wife, or children. If no one will accompany you to the United States, you may simply click Continue. If you do have a family member who will come with you, you should select Add Dependent. You must now enter all of the following information about the family member who will come with you to the United States. Please note, if your family member does not yet have a visa, you should enter the type of visa you expect them to receive and select Save. You may then click OK. If you have more family members who will come with you to the United States, you should click Add Dependent and repeat this process. Once you have added all of the family members who will come with you, click Continue. You should now review all the information you entered about your family members. If you find anything that is incorrect, you should select the Correct Errors button. Otherwise, click Continue. Now, you should select the type of degree you will be applying for. Please note that as an international student, you should pick either 5, 6, or 7, depending on your degree. Once you click Continue, you will be taken to our Apply for Admissions page, where you should first select the admissions term or semester that you wish to begin at Western. Please note, if you will enroll in our English language program, you should select an admission term that is 1 year later than when you will arrive to begin your English training, and click the Fill Out Application button. The application checklist screen will provide an overview of all the information you must submit in order to complete your application. We will begin by selecting Name. On the Name page, you should verify that all of your names are correct, and you should select the box which indicates whether or not you have previously applied to WMU or previously attended WMU. When you are finished, click Continue. On the Permanent Home Country Address screen, you should enter the address where you may be reached in your country of residence. It is important that you use the address from your home country even if you are a transfer student or you are currently in the United States, because this information will be included on your immigration paperwork. If you have a phone number where you can be reached in your home country, you may include it on this page as well and click Continue. You do not need to complete the information in the current mailing address screen unless you would like your admissions packet and immigration paperwork mailed to an address different than your permanent home country address. Even if you do not fill out the information on this page, however, you must select your nation of citizenship under the Nation category before you click Continue. Under Personal Information, you should enter your birthday, an email address where you can be reached, your gender and marital status. If you do not have a Social Security number, you do not need to enter one in the box at the top of the page. You should then click Continue. Under International Information, you only need to enter visa information if you currently have a United States visa. If you do not have a visa, please enter the type you expect to receive in the Visa Type Expected box. Then select your country of citizenship and country of birth before clicking Continue. On the Intended Major screen, you should select the program of study you wish to pursue in the Major box. You should also indicate whether or not you wish to be considered for conditional admission in our English language program. If you do, you should also enter the semester you wish to begin the English language program. Otherwise, select No and press Continue. In the next section, you will be asked for information about your high school or secondary school attendance. You do not need to enter any information in the High School Code section. You should, however, enter the name of your high school as well as the city in which it was located. Next, enter your graduation date and the nation where your high school was located. If you attended more than one high school or secondary school, click Enter or View another high school. Otherwise, click Continue to move to the next section. Under the Post-Secondary Institution section, if you have not yet taken any college courses, you may simply proceed by clicking Continue. If you have taken college courses, please enter the name of the college as well as the city and nation where it was located, followed by the attendance dates and any degrees that you earned. Please complete this step for each college and degree that you achieved by clicking Enter or View another college or degree to enter additional information. Once you are finished, click Continue. The last section of your application will provide information about your application fee and will ask if all of the information you have provided is accurate. You should select Yes for both of these options and click Continue. If you wish to correct any of the information in your application before submitting it, you may simply select the section to which you wish to return. Otherwise, if all information is correct, click the Submit button. The Admissions Agreement section will serve as your digital signature. Please read the information carefully and click I agree to the terms. You may then click the Submit Payment button to enter your payment information. In the final section of your application, you should select whether you wish to pay by credit card or electronic check and click Continue. You should then enter all of your payment information and click the Continue button again. Congratulations! You have now completed your application with Western Michigan University. You should now submit all the materials listed at the beginning of this video. Please note that undergraduate applications take at least 2 to 4 weeks to process once we have received all of your materials. If you are applying for a graduate program, you should expect to hear from us within 4 to 8 weeks from the time you submit all the required documents. Thanks again for choosing Western Michigan University. If you have any questions or comments, you may contact our office at the information listed below. We look forward to hearing from you soon.